Okay, so today we're at Pick and Pull. Daniel's got to get some shit, and we're gonna take you along because normally this is fun. That's a so this should be good. Get some good junkyard finds. Okay, so first thing we're gonna try and do. He really wants this center console, so I don't know how the fuck we're gonna get. I might go in from the other side and try and help out, but for most,
whoever had
might
this
just be
some, like,
filming.
custom ass wiring.
Yeah, well, if it's exposed, it's not that good, dude.
Okay.
Ew, dude. This thing's crusty as shit. It looks to be in good condition, actually.
I know, doesn't it?
Actually, I don't know who the fuck splooged on that side. That's disgusting. I wouldn't touch that, dude. Let me... Ew. Are you taking the seat out?
No.
What are you taking out? Oh, the console. Nah, dude, I'd say let's take the fucking leather seat. And he There we go. Glasses everywhere.
Priorities.
There you go. Let's just crunch it up, dude.
Now, do I have keys? Hold on.
Your stain key isn't gonna work, really?
No.
It's not gonna do shit. Why would that work?
I don't care. Alright.
Oh, that is so nasty, dude.
Yeah, don't.
Oh, shit.
I already have a nice one at home.
I can feel like I can rip this fucker apart.
We're almost done getting the center console out. It's really hard with all this glass everywhere because people have to come to the junkyard and ruin things. Oh my god. Alright.
Fuck. That's gonna be solid, boys.
Yeah.
Oh, we're so good right now. Now all we have to do
is maneuver around the shift knob because I didn't bring tools to get the shift knob off.
No, look. Oh, I'm so close. Oh, don't break the dash. Please don't. Ah, dude.
Alright, it's out.
We got the console out here.
You want to take it out that side because I really don't want to get all the glass. Here, hold on.
Yeah. Oh, this is disgusting.
Yeah, I could use a good little cleanup. Alright. So, that's it.
This piece of cake. You know, I want to say I thought that was going to be hard, but it was pretty fucking easy to do. We'd come to the junkyard just for a fucking filter, I guess.
No, I need a full intake system.
Alright, looks like we're going for the full intake.
Okay, that one over there.
That does not... Oh, is it? This is the one we got the center console from. We're back to square one. Yeah, this seems to be what we're grabbing here. We're grabbing stock intake, because he can't pass smog until he puts this shit back on. But he threw his original one away, so now we're just gonna toss money at the junkyard and grab this toilet one. Yeah, keep that clamp, you're gonna need it. Someone dropped a tranny, I guess. We got Christmas lights. If you ever needed Christmas lights, we got them here. These are sick, actually. I wonder if they'll charge me for taking these, because these aren't bad, dude. Hang these up on the tree. Those are not bad. You know, they shouldn't charge me because this isn't a fucking car part, but I found a good look charm, so this is definitely going in the truck. Very sick. Toss that bad boy there. There we go. Is that another probe? There's another probe. I'm gonna put them in this stang right here, so if you need to... There you go. He's right there, so if you ever want a Santa, he'll be right there. Yeah, you know, it's fun stuff, so that's what we like to do.
And, you know, like, I've got a 327 that I've had since I was 18. It's the big motor.
Well, that lasted all, but we almost made it out of Pick and Pull. Okay, well, it won't turn over, or it will. It was. Now it's not even turning over. So we're thinking it could just be the starter. It's definitely not the alternator, because once it's turned over, it was running, so the alternator is brand new.
Which one goes on first? Red or black?
What are you talking about? Oh, I don't fucking know. So roughly 10 minutes goes by. Same story. Shit won't start over. It won't turn over. It was turning over when we first started, but Daniel's on the phone.
Yeah, I guess it's true.
So we've been trying to figure this shit out for a little bit too long now. We were at Pick and Pull, which is just over there, that way. Now we're here, and it still won't turn over. He lives about a half mile from here, and we can't push it because there's only 2 of us. We already tried. We made it from over there. Too much, dude. Well, very well. Could be the end of the Mustang. Getting that bitch towed right now. Got everything loaded up in my truck. Poor Daniel. Drop a like on the video for Daniel. Poor fucking guy.
Buy a Ford, they said. They're fast. Yeah, when you have a V8 and it doesn't break the fuel pump, they're fast.
Fords are gay. Fuck Fords.
Okay. Get a Chevy! Alright.
I'm gonna hit this all as a wagon, bro.
Yeah, she's gonna be at the shop for the next couple days getting a fuel pump. Yeah, that's gonna suck. Later.